dapat dalhin sa hospital ito bago yung mga arrest-arrest kasi
no comment muna, no comment muna, no? We just have to coordinate medial area.
Pagkatutuloy ba na illegal arrest kung ginawa ni PRS?
Attorney, but have you verified that she has indeed been served a warrant?
Wala raw yung pinakita na warrant of arrest. Kung wala po yung pinakita na warrant of arrest, illegal arrest po ba nangyari?
Attorney, mag-isa lang ba siyang kinuha?
Yes, sige. Tama. Senator Bongo nandito. Sir, live tayo sa DWIG. Ibilang ko naman sir ng update, sir. Si Miss Judy po, yung pangkor. Kahapon pa yung notice, pero walang arrest warrant na pinapakita.
Oh, yun.
Sir, ngayon nasa na po siya?
So in short, no warrant has been served to the president.
I have not seen the warrant.
But what have you been told, sir? Kahit verbal lang.
I was
Sinabihan
told by
bang,
the
sir?
kanila.
Na ano daw po, sir?
Sir,
Na
what?
meron daw warrant na pare.
From who? Like ICC po ba, sir? Interpol ba?
Interpol, sabi niya.
Interpol.
Because he's from Interpol.
Sir, can you confirm that there's a red notice daw po?
I cannot confirm.
Therefore, are we considering this as illegal arrest?
Well, if there is no warrant of arrest, then this is definitely illegal.
Kasi kinuha siya against his will, sir.
Yeah, oo nga. And then, as a matter of constitutional right, kahit na-arrestuin mo yung tao, you are entitled to legal assistance as well as the immediate medical assistance. Kaya nagtatakaw, bakit tayo lang paano yung mga doktor?
So both medical and legal assistance were not afforded to the
constitutional right at ng bawat tao.
So ano daw mangyayari from here? Ano daw mangyayari from here?
I really don't know. I have not talked to anybody from their side.
Sir, what do you intend to do now? Kasi kahit na hindi kayo pinapapasok.
We don't know. Hindi man lang kami napausap.
Sir, bakit ultimo kayo, sir, ng mga abogado na hindi ko pinapapasok?
Yun ang hindi ko maintindihan.
Kasama niyo po ba si CS Medaldea sa loob? Sino pong kasama niya sa loob?
Well, when I saw Medaldea being interviewed, but I don't know if he's with the President, but I have flew in with the President.
Sir, may prior coordination ba to? Nakausap niyo ba sila General Marbil? Anong pinaliwanag sa inyo?
Wala. When I arrived here at about 9:35 this morning, I was able to see General Marbil, and because we knew each other before. We had some short talks, and then sabi niya sa akin,
Yung ka na niya pinangakuan.
There was a sign na dumating na si Presidente, sabi niya sa akin, we will escort him dun sa yung malaking poster, you can join him there, sabi niya sa akin. So I was waiting for them to tell me na I can join. Wala naman.
Sir, based on your expertise, paano po ba ang process ng isang Interpol? Lilipad po ba siya somewhere else? Ano po bang mangyayari?
I don't think na that's irregular or not irregular process. It should be done din sa ating department.
Okay. Nakausap niyo na po ba si Secretary Boying Remulla?
Wala naman.
Sir, kahapon lang sinabi po lahat sa kanila sa gobyerno na wala pa naman the warrant of arrest, and all of a sudden there was an arrest made kanina.
Well, if we are to talk about what is really there, I have not seen the warrant of arrest.
Hindi nang malinaw, wala
pa nakita. Pero sir, ano po nakarating sa inyo ng info? Warrant of arrest po ba for inciting to sedition o warrant of arrest from Interpol?
Wala. No notice whatsoever. Basta sinabi sa akin na kanila may warrant of arrest. Sabi ko na saan? Sabi, andyan. They never showed it to me.
Sir,
hawak na daw po ni CIDG Director Brigadier General Torre yung warrant of arrest.
Kung meron, ba't hindi pa kita sa amin?
So inuna muna yung arrest, sir? Pwede ba yun? Sir, pwede yun na take custody muna of the person, then warrant of arrest document follows?
No, the warrant of arrest must be shown first.
Before you make an arrest
Before you arrest him. That is the
Sir, are you able to
legal
communicate with
basis of
PRRD?
arresting somebody is warrant of arrest.
Sir, mukhang ganun na nangyari. Hinold na muna nila bago ipakita yung warrant
Correct.
of
Yun na
arrest.
nga, violation of his rights.
Sir, pwede bang kunyari diretso ipapakita kay former President Duterte yung document hindi po sa abogado? Pwede rin po ba?
Basically, it should be the person to be arrested na nabigyan ng kopya.
Pero sir, as a lawyer, pwede gawin sa kanya yun na since lawyer ka naman, ito na yung warrant para sa
Pwede naman. Basta importante yung give him and show him the warrant of arrest.
Sir, ano po reaksyon ni PRRD nung pagpasok ni General Torre?
Kung may nasabi
Nung,
po ba sa
Wala pa, hindi namin nakita si Presidente.
So hindi na pala kayo
hindi nyo kasama, hindi nyo nakasama
Hindi
sa...
namin nakasama.
Is he okay though, sir?
Ah?
Health-wise, okay ba siya?
Well, when I was
Okay ba?
with him in Hong Kong, okay naman siya.
Pero sino pong kasama niya doon talaga?
Saan?
Sa loob? Ngayon
Sa
po.
Cathay Pacific, sir.
It should be, ano,
Currently.
I can only guess that it is Executive Secretary Bingbong Mediadea.
Who probably is his lawyer right
Yes,
now
a
as we
lawyer.
speak.
No.
Pero kasama niyo po siya sa Cathay Pacific, sir, pag-uwi?
Hindi.
Dito lang siya
I came in earlier.
Okay.
So ngayon sir, mag-attempt kayo na papasok at
Yeah,
makita
oo.
siya ng person. Sige, good luck
Sir,
sir.
last na lang,
Pero
may
wala.
namataan ka bang foreigners to indicate the presence of like Interpol agents, ICC,
From
embassy,
Wala
gano'n?
naman. The only person I saw do medyo mukhang foreigner sila. Bachelor na kanila, but ito
Okay.
sa Pilipino.
Sige, thank you. Attorney.
with Medialdea kung anong situation doon ngayon sa loob?
Wala nga eh, wala nga. It's only from Attorney Martin Delgra who told me that he is now with the President.
Sir, ano pong take po ninyo,
And
sir?
asked me to see them there.
Sir, ano pong take po ninyo kung sakasakaling galing po sa Interpol yung arrest warrant?
Ano?
Kung sakasakaling galing po sa Interpol, ano pong ibig sabihin nito? May paglabag po ba kung sakasakali man?
Depende, kasi the Interpol cannot personally deliver that, implement it. Dapat dadaan niya sa ating judicial system and that is to the Department of Justice.
Sir, may confirmation po galing sa PCO na sinasabi po meron talagang warrant of arrest laban sa Pangulo, dating Pangulong Duterte, pwede rin daw po sa ICC.
Nasaan?
Yung po, ibinigay naman po nila.
Ba't hindi nila pakita kung meron? Why don't they show it if there is such a warrant?
Kung sakali sir, na diniretso po ang pinakita kay dating Pangulong Duterte, pwede din po ba ganun?
Oh, siyempre, he's the object of the warrant. So basically, it should be shown to him. Now, if the President will show it also to his legal counsel, that's proper.
Pero sir, di ba hindi na tayo member ng ICC?
Ah?
Hindi na member ng
Party
ICC
to the treaty anymore.
ang Pilipinas?
Hindi ba nag-withdraw si Presidente? That
Yeah,
was,
they still
pero-
have jurisdiction.
no less than President Bongbong Marcos said that he does not recognize the ICC. And he said that to allow the ICC to come here is to admit that our justice system is not working.
Sir, has PBBM talked to any one of you? Any Duterte team, any Duterte cabinet?
Wala naman.
Nakausap niyo ba siya?
Wala naman.
Is there
Very
an
clear
attempt?
yung position nyo noon na ayaw niyang kapasukin ng
Sir, ngayon
ICC.
lang, like recent days
Wala
over
naman.
the
Awa ng
weekend.
Diyos, wala naman.
May nag-attempt po bang tumausap kay PBBM?
Wala naman.
Sige,
So,
sir,
there's
thank
no
you very much.
communication.
Okay.
Ibalita kami sir kung makakapasok kayo sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.